The Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Air Force are standing firm on a message of normalcy, dismissing rumors of any special aircraft on standby for the Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. This amid escalating political drama fueled by an attempted ICC arrest and a chaotic chase at the Senate involving the said senator. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
The situation at Villamor Air Base in Pasay City remains normal. According to the Philippine Air Force, the air base, which is under military control, is currently only under white alert status. Earlier, the camp of Senator Ronald De La Rosa said they have information that an aircraft was on standby for him in connection with an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court or ICC.
We are undergoing normal air operation, routine operations, and ayun po yung status po natin ngayon sa Villamor Air Base. I'd like to reiterate, wala po kami natatanggap na any official directives, coordinations, requests regarding that.
We have seen circulating informations in the social media. These are images of the previous situation, hindi po yung ngayon. For that particular incident. Sana hindi doon galing yung kanilang information or intelligence information.
Last year, a private jet that departed base brought former President Rodrigo Duterte to The Hague, Netherlands, after he was arrested in connection with cases before the International Criminal Court over the bloody war on drugs. Meanwhile, the Armed Forces of the Philippines clarified that the Marine troops deployed at the Senate are part of normal deployment. This, they said, is for perimeter security, which is also being implemented in other institutions.
Over and above the Senate, we also have deployments in Malacanang Palace. And kung napapansin nyo, meron din po tayo sa mismong rebulto ni Jose Rizal. Ito po ay standard. Hindi po sila pumapasok sa loob ng Senado at gayon din po sa loob ng Malacanang Palace. Ano po, case-to-case basis po upon request kung kailangan po ang tulong nila. But ito po ay dati na po, hindi po ito konektado dito sa naturang insidente lang po nitong recent.
De La Rosa remains inside the Senate after reappearing yesterday following 6 months of not being seen in public. Operatives of the National Bureau of Investigation also attempted to serve the arrest warrant on him, which even resulted in a chase. The AFP, however, said it is not affected by the renewed political tensions and that it remains focused on its duties.
We do not participate in any partisan and political activities po, and we respect the function and process of all our democratic institutions.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.